Welcome to my online class. I am Mamunur Rashid, Assistant Teacher, Goa Level High School, Gamastabur, Chapainawabganj. I will participate with the students of class 9. Dear students, how are you? I hope that you are fine. I am also very fine by the great grace of Allah. I will participate with you about the topics of affirmative to negative from transformation of sentence. Dear students, at first we have to identify about what is affirmative sentence. An affirmative sentence is a sentence where the expression is from the view of positive. That means where there is no use of no, never, not, nothing, nobody, neither, etc. Then that will be introduced as affirmative. That means an affirmative sentence will never take any use of no, never, nothing, not, neither, etc. And what is negative sentence, dear students? The reply will be when a sentence expresses about a thing in a negative view. That means where there will be the use of no, nothing, not, never, neither, etc. in a sentence, then that will be identified as negative sentence. And our discussion about the transformational view, that means how can we migrate an affirmative to negative. And I have to discuss about the transformational view or migrational view from affirmative to negative. At first I will write an example at first. He loves him, me, or he loves them. He loves them. Here I have written a sentence, and here we see the using of loves here. That means loves is here PV1. That means the present form of principal verb. And if we see the using of s or yes after using PV1, and if the verb is migratable, that means if it has an oppositional point or oppositional meaning of a verb, that means opposite word. If it is opposite word and it can be migrated in opposite form, then how can we make it? Then in this case we have to use subject. Here which is subject? He is here subject. After that we have to use does not. Does not. What is the reason in the behind of using does not? Because we see the using of loves here. S or yes has been taken or used after using PV1. That means the present form of verb. So does not has been taken. After that, hate will be migrated as an opposite form. That means the opposite form of love is hate. And after that, them will be used as an object. So he loves them. What is the meaning of he loves them? সে তাদেরকে ভালোবাসে. And the meaning of he does not hate them is সে তাদেরকে ঘৃণা করে না. Both of the meaning is the same or are the same. Both of the meaning of the sentences are the same. Because there is no difference of the affirmative and negative. Though there has been used does not. This is the sign of negative, so does not has been used, but the meaning is the same. Or the meanings are the same. Let's go next number 2. We respect you. Here respect is PV1. There is no using of yes or yes after PV1 or the present form of the verb. So how can we make it into negative? Dear students, if you analyze, you will see the meaning of respect is সম্মান করা, and there is an opposite word. The opposite word of respect is insult. Dear students, are you clear? Insult is the opposite form of respect. So, we have to use subject, will. Here, do not will be used. And if you wish, don't also will be correct. So, let's use do not. After that, the opposite form of respect is insult. So, insult will be used. Insult. And finally, we have to use an object. Here, you is object. So, the meaning of we respect you is আমরা তোমাকে সম্মান করি. And the meaning of we do not insult you is আমরা তোমাকে অপমান করি না. The meanings are the same. If you analyze or if you see that there is no difference between the meaning of we respect you and we do not insult you. The meanings of the sentence are the same. Dear students, clear? So let's go for number 3. I forgot them. I forgot them. Dear students, what will be the negative form of it? Here, if you see, I have written forgot here. So there is an opposite form of forgot. Forgot means ভুলে যাওয়া, ভুলে গিয়েছিল. And if we see, the opposite meaning of forgot is remembered. Remembered মানে স্মরণ করেছিল. So let's write it. How can change it into affirmative to negative? Then you have to use subject. Which is subject here? I. After that, if you see, you will see that forgot is here past form. Forgot is here past form. So we have to use did not or didn't. Did not or didn't. The short form of did not is didn't. If you wish, you may use that. Did not or didn't is the same. I did not. And the opposite form of forget is remember. 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 Here, remember will be used because did not has been used after subject. So, after using did not, we have to use PP1. Here, remember is PP1. And this is an opposite form of forget. Are you clear? And finally, and the object will be used. Them, which is here object, them is here object. Dear students, are you clear? The meaning, let's see the meaning of I forget them. The meaning of I forget them is আমি তাদেরকে ভুলে গিয়েছিলাম. And the meaning of I did not remember them is আমি তাদেরকে মনে রাখিনি. Or if we see that both of the meanings are the same. If we analyze what is the meaning, which is the meaning of what I forget them? আমি তাদের ভুলে গিয়েছিলাম. And what is the meaning of I did not remember them? আমি তাদেরকে স্মরণ করিনি. The meanings are the same. There is no difference between the meaning of it or them. And dear students, you have to remember that in the transformation of sentence, there will be no changing of meaning. Only the condition of sentence will be changed, or the external figure of the sentence will be changed, but the internal meaning will be the same. Are you clear, my dear students? When next time will be arrived, then I will take the extensional parts or deep parts of the sentence will be discussed. That means affirmative to negative will be discussed when time will come. And today, no more today, my dear students. Till then, Allah keeps you safe and sound, and don't go out of the room. And if you go, then you must wear mask. And when you will return home, then you must use soap and water till 20 seconds. May Allah save you from coronavirus. No more today. Allah Hafiz.